Ay, Nicaragua, Nicaragua, la flor más linda.
Right now, Nicaragua's in a 3-year drought, and that's really hard on the communities around here. Since they're so dependent on farming and agriculture, to not have water is a serious problem.
The end goal is to create better water collection for the community so that they can channel the water during their rainy season.
Really what we have been doing is digging some big holes in the ground, filling them with concrete, and they're going to serve as a way to basically collect water during heavy rainfall.
So every day we got to meet someone new and got to work alongside someone who was very experienced in what we were doing. It was definitely something that was outside of my comfort zone. I don't speak very good Spanish. I've never been outside of the country to do any service work like this.
I feel like I still connected quite a bit. You can always smile and nod and hola, hola.
And realizing that laughter is a universal language. And despite the language barriers that I may experience or that anybody may experience, you're still able to smile and laugh with somebody.
So it developed into something really unique, despite, not everyone speaking English or Spanish. I've never laughed this much in my life.
Working with the community has been absolutely incredible. It has been really eye-opening and life-changing for me.
Really heartwarming to see that people wanted to be a part of our lives as much as we wanted to be in their community.
Overall, the entire experience and the way that these people live their lives and working with them and seeing a life that they live every single day but I'm only exposed to for 4 days has really been transformational and has made my heart feel very full at this beautiful world that they get to live in because their life is so vastly different than mine.